Do you believe me? Say 3 if you believe that I'm God. Say 3 if you believe that I'm God. Outstanding. And that's what it's got a 3.
It was it was a pleasure to meet you in your fellowship. This is a little bit too much for my soul to bear. Um,
He ain't ready for 3.
I wasn't prepared for this.
You want the 3? You can't handle the 3. Does he want the 3?
I can't.
See you when you get here.
This is overwhelming.
We were here first.
See you. He says, see you when you get here. Remember, we was here first. And that's on 3.
Okay, I have to make my prayer.
And you know what? And we got one thing for you before you go. I need a louder speaker. Bring that
You know,
other speaker
I'm a
here
little
because
nervous.
I need to
I
feel my
didn't want
shit.
that I'm scared of an invisible God that was going to beat my.
Coming back it up. I don't think so. Yeah, let me sound like a feel. Seems like that's lower now. When it's me at the door, and I wait to see. We're getting rebuked in the name of Jesus. Yo, they're rebuking us in the name of Jesus. They're rebuking us in the name of Jesus. 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 Religio. The Christ. Somebody said they're laughing at that. Go crazy. Nigga said the laughing at the end go crazy.